In Microsoft Excel, data can be imported from many data sources. For example, website, databases, and any other sources. This time I extract data from the website. Then I will analyze that data in the pivot table. I will check population of USA by states and area by state. So let's start. First I copy the link. This website shows population of USA by states. Copy this link, then go to Microsoft Excel, click Data tab, then click on From Web. After that, paste the URL, click OK. The Navigator dialog box opens. After uploading the data in Navigator dialog box, I see two tables. Click on this table. This table does not have any data. Click on this table. So this table has data that I want. Click on Web View. I can view website in Web View tab. Click on Table View. I have two options. If I want any changes in this data, then click on Transform Data. Otherwise, I can load this data into data model and into Excel table. I load this data into data model. After that, select existing worksheet and check the only create connection and check the add this data to the data model. Then click on OK. I see first query is created and data is loaded in the table 0. I rename this table. I create another query. First I copy the link. This web shows area of USA by state. Copy this link. Then click on From Web. Paste the URL in URL box. Select Table of Areas. I want some changes in this data. Load this data into Power Query Editor. Click on Transform Data. The Power Query Editor window is opened. Click Queries arrow button. I see here two queries. Table 1 is first query that I have uploaded into data model. I rename this query Table 2. Press Enter key. After that, I rename this field. Click on Rename. Type State. Press Enter key. I rename this field. Type Area. I remove other columns from this query because I want only area in square mile. Click on column field name, then press Ctrl key. Click on this field name. After that, click Remove Columns arrow button, then click on Remove Columns. After that, scroll down. I remove these three last rows. In Reduce Rows group, click on Remove Row arrow button, then click on Remove Bottom Rows. Type 3, then click on OK. I see last 3 rows are removed. After that, I load this query into data model. Click Close and Load arrow button, then click on Close and Load to. Select existing worksheet, then check only create connection, check data model, click OK. The second query is loaded with 56 rows.